What's your name?
My name is Divya Deep.
Can we see your passport?
Yes, sure.
This is speaking test of files, and the speaking test is going to be recorded also. Fine. So I am going to start the part 1, and in part 1 I am going to start with family. Do you come from a large or a small family?
Well, I come from a relatively small family. We are only 3 members.
Do all your family live in the same town?
Well, I live with my brother and my mother, she lives in Canada.
Fine. How often do you see your brother?
Well, I live with my brother, so I see him daily.
Right. Do you have a lot in common with them?
I can say not much, but yes, there are some things which we have in common. But otherwise, our lifestyles are a little bit different from each other.
Right. So let's talk about friends. Do you have lots of friends or just a few special friends?
Well, I have a few special friends, but I have a lot of people whom I can call as friends.
Can you say something about one or two of them?
Well, my closest friend is Payal, and she has been my friend since last 7 years, and she's very close to me. She has always been with me in all my ups and downs. Another friend of mine is Karan. He is a fun-loving person, and we often hang out together.
Okay. What kind of things do you and your friends like to do together?
We like to go for shopping together, and also we like to go for movies, and we play carom board together, and also we enjoy going to some plays or some picnic spots.
Okay. Right. Are you a person who enjoys spending time alone?
Well, yes, I like to spend time alone, and I feel very relaxed when I stay alone.
Fine. So let's talk about travel. Fine. Which other countries have you visited?
I only visited one another country, that is Dubai, and I visited there in 2014.
Which other countries are you interested in visiting and why?
Well, I'm interested in visiting firstly Canada, because my mother, she lives over there. I definitely want to meet her. Otherwise, I have heard that Vietnam is a very beautiful country, so I want to visit that also.
So what are some of things you don't like about traveling?
Well, I don't like the long hours of journey. We have to commute from one place to another, and if it is a long journey, so I feel it is it is very tiring. And secondly, one more thing which makes me nauseous is the packing before traveling. So that is something I don't like.
So part 1 is over. Now I am giving you a cue card. Right? You have 1 minute to think, and you have to speak on this cue card for 1 to 2 minutes. Right, please? So this is a cue card for you. And you can use paper as well as pencil if you like. So time is over, right? Please, you can start now.
Thank you for the cue card, and I would like to describe a store which is one of my favorite stores. Basically, I am a shopaholic person, so it is very hard for me to decide one. But I would like to tell you about a very popular store in my city, that is the Big Bazaar. It is only 10 kilometers away from my house, and it is the most common place where I and my friends often hang out and we go for shopping. It looks like a mall. It has different compartments. For an example, it has everything available from groceries to clothing to books to fashion, and also the home decor products are also there. And it is a multi-purpose store. That is the reason why I like to go over there. I like whatever I want to buy, whatever I have in my mind, I can get it from there. I don't have to search different shops. I don't have to spend my time on wandering around the market. I can just go to one place and I'll get everything, whatever I want to buy. So, moreover, this shop is also have a food court available where we can have whatever we want to eat while if we get tired while shopping. So there's a food point over there, and also there's always a stall where they keep on putting new beverages for tasting. So that is something fun activity which me and my friends when we go over there we enjoy. And also every Wednesday there are many offers going on, discounts and the surprise offers are there. So it is very attractive and a very beautiful store, I would say. And this is the reason I really like it. And I and my friends go over there. I can say every weekend we go over there to hang out.
Right. So let's go to the part 3. This is a two-way discussion. Right. So my first question is that, what do you think of shopping on the internet?
Well, initially I didn't like the idea of shopping on internet because we cannot, analyze the product properly, and secondly, it has taken away the whole concept of shopping. But now I think for saving my time, it is one of the best way. I can check the reviews, and if I don't like the product, I can even send it back and I can get it replaced.
So how do you think the use of internet will affect shopping in the future?
I think the use of internet has already affected the shopping a lot. People are very much interested in e-shopping. There are multiple applications and websites available for the same, and I think the trend is going to be increasing in future also.
So why do you think that shopping has become such a popular activity for young people these days?
Actually, I can say that in past few decades, the whole scenario of shopping has changed. Earlier, shopping was done only when it was needed or something was needed to be bought, but now I think it has become a very common activity and leisure activity, I can say it has become. So that's why it is trending nowadays.
Okay. And in what ways are your parents' shopping habits different from yours?
Well, there's a lot of difference in my parents' shopping habits and my shopping habits because my parents, they manage the house, they have to look after the family requirements and they have to manage their finances also. So they think a lot before shopping, and I am a person who whenever I feel like shopping or whenever I feel I'm getting bored, so shopping is my best pastime, I would say. I go and I shop. So there's a lot of difference between both of our ways of shopping.
Means it is today people get more freedom in shopping.
Yeah, definitely. Shopping has become, as I said, it has become a leisure activity, especially for the youngsters.
Okay. So can you give some examples of differences also?
Sorry?
Can you give some examples of differences in shopping habits?
Yes, definitely. I would say that now youngsters, they shop unnecessarily also. We run after fashion. And especially if I talk about clothing, so our parents, they only buy the necessary things which they require, but when we go for shopping, whatever is in trend, whether we want to wear it or not, but we follow the trend and we shop for it or we buy it. So this is one thing. And also as the trend of fitness is increasing, So our parents, I would say, they were restricted to some basic grocery items, but we want to buy fancy items. Whether we like it or not, that is secondary. But if we go for shopping, we just put it in our shopping trolleys and we buy it. So these are a few examples where the shopping pattern differs in both the generations.
Okay. And what do you think? Why people go or do so much shopping in their lives?
I think for me, if I talk about myself, I feel when I shop, so I feel very relaxed and I feel very happy. And I think the same goes for everybody. It is a sort of a stress buster. They go and spend their money and then they enjoy different things, whatever they want to buy. So maybe this is the reason that people love to shop. And also they are getting influenced by these media and these celebrities, I would say. And they want to follow the latest trend in fashion. So whatever new comes in the market, whether it is electronic or it is fashion related or it is food related, they go and buy and try it.
Okay. Do you think that excessive shopping affects the environment also?
I can say yes, excessive shopping affects the environment because earlier people used to believe in repairing. But now we just throw away our things and we buy new ones. So that is creating a lot of environmental waste, I guess. So it is affecting the environment.
That's all about the speaking. Yes.